Very good morning, student. This is our lesson 4 in GK, the 8 Wanderers. So, today we will learn about our solar system. In this chapter 4, we will learn about the solar system. So, solar system, the system which have planets and sun. So, in general, we can say the sun and its whole planet family is known as the solar system. So, solar system is the name given to the sun and its family of planets. So, there are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets are there? Total 8 planets are there in the solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun in their definite orbits. Means they are moving around the sun. They move around the sun. So this is known as revolution. So they revolve around the sun in their definite orbits. Now the solar system. So this chapter having 2 questions, A and B. Right? Question A. Look here. This is question A. This is question A. Write the name of the planets in the blank boxes. So there are some blank areas in which I have written the names. So write the names of the planets in the blank boxes. This is the sun, and these are the planets arranged in their specific proper orbits, and they move around the sun. They revolve around the sun in their particular specific orbits. Right? Orbits are what? Their own path. The own path of the Mercury, there is a own path of the Venus, there is a own path of the Earth, then Mars, Jupiter is also having its own path, Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. So there are 8 planets, the sun and its planet family. This is the sun and the 8 planet family. The first planet, which is nearest to the sun, the nearer planet of the sun from the sun is Mercury. And the first blank area. In the first blank area, we will fill the name Mercury. Spelling is MERCURY. Mercury. Second is Venus. VENUS. So Mercury. I will tell some facts about each and every planet. So first planet is Mercury. The diameter means this is a diameter. So the diameter of Mercury is 4,875 kilometer. The diameter of Mercury is 4,875 kilometer, and the distance of the Mercury from sun is 57.9 million kilometer, and it revolves. How many days the Mercury takes to complete the one revolution around the sun? Okay, so how many days he usually takes? So Mercury takes 88 Earth day, right? The next, move to the next planet, that is Venus, VENUS. And the diameter of Venus, is this. Diameter of Venus is 12,104 kilometer. 12,104 kilometer. And the distance from sun, is 108.2 million kilometer. The distance of Venus from sun is 108.2 million kilometers. And what are the total rotation days? How many days he takes to complete its one revolution is 243 earth days is equal to 243 earth days means तो 243 डेज में ये अर्थ के चारों तरफ एक चक्कर पूरा करता है. नेक्स्ट इज अर्थ, आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्लू प्लैनेट, प्लैनेट ब्लू. अर्थ, द डायमीटर ऑफ द अर्थ इज 12,756 किलोमीटर. 12,756 kilometer. This is the diameter. Okay, and the distance from the sun, is 149.6 million kilometer. And how many days earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun? So that is 365.25 days. Okay, you all know that is equal to 1 year. 365 days मतलब that is equal to 1 year. 1 year में अर्थ एक पूरा चक्कर सन के अराउंड कंप्लीट करता है. द नेक्स्ट planet is Mars, that is also known as red planet. And this Mars, the diameter of the Mars is 6,780 kilometer. It is smaller than Earth. And the distance between the Mars and Sun is 227.9 million kilometer. 227.9 million kilometers. And the days, the duration, the time, how many days Mars usually takes to complete its one revolution around the sun, that is 687 earth days. That is 687 earth days. Next is Jupiter. Next planet is Jupiter. That the diameter of Jupiter is 142,987 kilometer is equal to 142,987 kilometer. Okay, so this is the diameter. And the distance between the Jupiter and the Sun is 778.3 million kilometers. And the total days, how many days Jupiter takes to complete the one revolution around the Sun, that is 4,330.6 earth days. Okay, now the next planet is planet Saturn. The next planet after the Jupiter is Saturn. And the diameter of Saturn is 1,20,536 kilometer. 1,20,536 kilometer is the diameter of Saturn. And the distance between the Saturn and the Sun is 1.43 billion kilometer. The days, how many days it takes to complete the one revolution, that is 10,759 earth days. ये इतना समय लेता है सन के चारों तरफ एक चक्कर पूरा करने में. After that, next is Uranus, the planet Uranus. Uranus diameter of Uranus is 51,118 kilometer. 51,118 kilometer is the diameter. And the distance from Sun is 2.87 kilometer. Then the revolution, the days, how many days the Uranus takes usually to complete its one revolution, that is actually 30,687 earth days. Now the last one, that is Neptune. Neptune, the diameter of Neptune is 49,532 kilometer. And the distance from Sun is 4.5 billion kilometer. सबसे ज़्यादा दूर कौन सा प्लैनेट है सन से, दैट इज़ नेपच्यून. एंड वो कितना ड्यूरेशन लेता है अपने एक चक्कर को पूरा करने में, दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 60,182 अर्थ डेज. So this is some facts about the Sun and its planet family. So after this, the next question B. This is the question B. Question B says, rearrange the letters to get the names of the planets. Here the some jumbled alphabets. Alphabets are given in a jumbled way. We have to rearrange it. The first question, the hot and fiery planet. The hot and fiery planet. So that is, what will be the answer? That is Venus. The red and rocky planet. The red and rocky planet. So answer is Mars. Next question number 3. The fainted ringed planet. That is Saturn. The blue planet. That is blue planet is Earth, our planet Earth. Now the next is the barren planet. The barren planet is, who is the barren planet? Mercury. The giant planet, that is the biggest planet, that is Jupiter. The next question number 7, the stormiest planet. Stormiest planet is जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा storms आते हैं. That will be, कौन सा है, कोई बता सकता है? Neptune. Then last one, the dark ringed planet. Who is the dark ringed planet? Dark ringed planet. Tell me the name. Neptune, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Saturn, Uranus. That is Uranus. So this is the question number B. Now we have arranged the all jumbled word. Okay, so learn this thing. Now the homework. What will be the homework, children? So today's homework, you have to find out the smallest and biggest planet of the solar system. This is the question. This is your homework. And solar system. Draw the picture of solar system. So thank you for watching the video and complete the homework, children. Learn the chapter 4. Be safe and stay home.